Hey everyone, welcome to the ninth video of Module 4. And just like what we've been doing so far for all the modules, we are going to go ahead and download this notebook that we have created for this Module 4 and then push it to our GitHub repository. And then last we'll be cross-checking it as well. So let's get into it. And now we can just go ahead and download this file and upload it to the GitHub repository. So I'll download it first. Now I'll go to this Python for space applications. Inside this notebooks, I'll add that downloaded file that is numpy and matplotlib. I'll just go back, open in terminal and say git add dot, check the status, everything is looking good. And now I can go ahead and do git commit with the message M4 notebook added, and then finally do the push, git push. I hope that you are noticing that we are now no more setting up the stream that is origin main because it's already there set up for us. So I'll simply use git push and we can see this changes reflected on the GitHub. Great, we can now check the GitHub. As you can see that the M4 notebook is added. I'll click on this notebook and there it is. Just see how we had added M2 notebook, M3 notebook and M4 notebook. All of this is having its own commit messages and that's something that we really wanted. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video here. And I hope that now you are very confident in order to understand that how you can add your files to your Git repository, commit the changes and then finally push it to your GitHub repository.